Understanding finance, risk management, and insurance essentials. Managing your finances effectively empowers you as it keeps you in a stable position and reduces financial stress. Understanding finance and economics is fundamental to achieving this stability through strategies like budgeting and investing. Taking control of your finances also means being proactive in preparing for potential events and protecting yourself. Knowledge in risk management and insurance is essential for securing your financial well-being. Risk management involves identifying and mitigating potential risks before they arise. On a personal level, this means analyzing your situation and addressing vulnerabilities. Common risks include health issues, property damage, investment risks, and car accidents. For businesses, risks are more complex and may include legal issues, cybersecurity threats, and copyright concerns. Insurance acts as a safety net, offering financial protection from potential problems. Before diving into insurance, it's wise to get a clear picture of potential risks. Understanding risk management helps safeguard your assets and financial future. The process begins with risk assessment, determining the type and urgency of each risk. Risks are classified into two categories: pure risks, which can be insured against, and speculative risks, which cannot be insured. Assessing risk levels involves understanding the frequency of events and potential costs. Addressing risks involves methods like avoidance, reduction, and acceptance. Another approach is risk sharing, where you pay for protection against potential problems, transferring financial burdens to insurance companies. Choosing the right insurance involves identifying risks, presenting them to a company, and securing the right policy. Factors like sex, age, location, and health status determine policy premiums, particularly in health insurance. Insurance comes in many forms, including auto, health, life, homeowners, and travel insurance. Each type serves a specific purpose, offering different levels of coverage to ensure you're adequately protected. Integrating risk management into daily life involves proactive measures like regular assessments, staying informed, planning, maintaining an emergency fund, and making healthier lifestyle choices. Insurance agents are invaluable allies, guiding you through policy selection, comparing quotes, customizing coverage, and assisting with claims. They streamline the process and ensure you get the right protection. Technology has revolutionized risk management and insurance through big data, AI, blockchain, telematics, and data verification tools. These advancements enhance accuracy, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. In an increasingly complex financial world, understanding finance, risk management, and insurance is crucial. These tools help you manage finances effectively and prevent costly events. By assessing risks and purchasing appropriate insurance, you secure your financial future, protecting yourself from unexpected disruptions. Effective strategies create a safety net, boosting resilience and providing peace of mind. Proper risk management and insurance coverage shield you from financial hardships, ensuring you're prepared for whatever the future holds. This proactive approach enhances your financial stability and security. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.